Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of C. Solution. But I want you to note that square root A can be written as A raised to power 1 over 2. Now in this equation, our first C is under square root, which can be written as C raised to power 1 over 2. But our second C here is under this root and this root, which means C raised to power half everything raised to power half, which can be written as C raised to power 1 over 4, because 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 will give us 1 over 4. So we can say multiply by C raised to power 1 over 4. Also, our third C here is under this square root, and under this square root, which means C raised to power half everything raised to power half and everything raised to power half. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 will give us C raised to power 1 over 8. So multiply by C raised to power 1 over 8. Also, the last C is under the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is C raised to power 1 over 2 everything raised to power 1 over 2 everything raised to power 1 over 2 everything raised to power 1 over 2. So if we multiply it, 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is going to give us C raised to power 1 over 16. So multiply by C raised to power 1 over 16 is equal to 256. And in indices, if we have A raised to power B multiplied by A raised to power C multiplied by A raised to power D is equal to A raised to power B plus C plus D. So let us apply the same principle to this left hand side. So we can say C raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 is equal to 256. So let us simplify the power. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 is equal to, their LCM is 16. 2 goes in 16 8 times. 8 times 1 will give us 8 plus 4 goes in 16 4 times. 4 times 1 will give us 4 plus 8 goes in 16 2 times. 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2, and 16 goes in 16 1 time. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So the answer is going to be 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15. 15 over 16. So let us replace this with 15 over 16. C raised to power 15 over 16 equal to 256. Let us rewrite 256, and 256 is equal to 2 raised to power 8. So we can say c raised to power 15 over 16 equal to 2 raised to power 8. So in order to determine the value of c, let us raise both sides to the power of 16 over 15. So we are going to have c raised to power of 15 over 16, everything raised to power of 16 over 15 is equal to 2 raised to power of 8, everything raised to power of 16 over 15. So if we multiply the power, 16 here 1, 16 here 1, 15 here 1, 15 here 1. So c equal to, here 2, 8 multiplied by 16 over 15. Our answer is going to be 128 over 15. So let us replace this with 128 over 15. 2 raised to power 128 over 15. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.